You ever wake up on a Monday, check your account, and the number you saw on Friday is already a ghost? Poof, gone, like it never even happened. And you sit there staring at the ceiling, thinking, I didn't even do nothing. You didn't buy no J's, you didn't hit the club, you didn't cop no new chain, but your paycheck, that thing left you on red. Dead ass. And you know what the worst part is? You can't even argue with nobody about it. Because there ain't no villain, ain't no bad guy, just you. You and your lazy fingers tapping confirm purchase on something you forgot about before it even showed up at your door. My name is Big Frank, and today we exposing the invisible bleed, the reason you feel broke even though you don't buy anything. And trust me, young blood, by the end of this, you're gonna want to fight yourself. Now look, I was sitting with Jamal last Tuesday. He come through my spot looking stressed, phone in hand, face all twisted up like he just seen his ex with a taller dude. I said, Jamal, what's the issue? He said, Frank, I don't get it. I make $3,200 a month. I don't go out like that no more. I stopped buying shoes. I even started packing lunch. But every single month, I'm back at zero by Wednesday, like clockwork. I looked at that boy. I said, Jamal, you packing lunch? He said, yeah. I said, but you still broke? He said, yeah. I said, then the lunch ain't the problem. The problem is the stuff you don't see. You bleeding out, fam, and you don't even feel the knife. See, Jamal think because he stopped the big spending, he fixed his finances. But the big spending was never the real killer. The big spending is loud. You feel a $300 dinner. You feel a $200 bottle. You remember that. But the invisible bleed, that's quiet. That's the $8.99 here, the $12.47 there. It's only $5 that you say 17 times a week. And because each one feels like nothing, your brain files it under miscellaneous, which is really just code for I wasn't paying attention. So I sat them all down. I said, we doing it autopsy. We finna find where your money went. And don't lie to me because your bank statement already told me the truth. You just ain't read it yet. First thing I asked, how many apps you got charging you right now? Jamal said, just the basics, Netflix, Spotify, Gym, maybe a couple more. I said, pull up your subscriptions. This man had 11 active subscriptions. 11. Netflix, Hulu, Max, Spotify, Apple Music, YouTube Premium, Discord Nitro, 3 different workout apps, and a meditation app he used exactly one time after a stressful Tuesday in March. I did the math right there. $87 a month in subscriptions alone. That's $1,044 a year for apps, not rent, not food, apps. You could buy a whole used Honda Civic over 5 years, but nah, Jamal needed to watch his shows on 3 different platforms. But that was just the appetizer. I said, Jamal, how many times you ordered food this month? He said, not that many, maybe like twice a week. I said, twice a week? He said, yeah, just when I'm tired. Twice a week is 8 times a month. But Jamal wasn't counting the random snack orders or the let me get something small runs or the add-ons when his friend wants something too. When we actually looked at his statements, it was 23 food delivery transactions, 23 in 30 days. Average order was $24, but with delivery fees, service fees, driver tip, and that sneaky small order fee, the real average was $34. 23 times 34. That's $782 a month on food that ain't even good for him. I looked at Jamal. I said, Jamal, you spent almost $800 this month on delivery, and you told me you pack lunch. You ain't packing lunch, you packing lies. But we ain't even at the nasty part yet. Jamal is what I call a convenience addict. He don't even notice it no more. He takes rides when the bus is right there. Not because he late, just because he don't feel like walking. That's $18 instead of $2.50. He buys the $6 water bottle at the gym instead of bringing one. He pays for express shipping on a $12 shirt. He uses the ATM that charges a fee instead of walking to his own bank. Individually, each one feels like nothing, but math don't lie. $8 a day in invisible convenience spending is $240 a month. That's $2,880 a year. Over 10 years, that's $28,800. I told you, Ma, you ain't broke because your job don't pay enough. You broke because you got 1,000 tiny holes in your bucket. And here's why this trap is so evil. Your brain is not built to feel small losses. When you hand over a $100 bill, you feel that. But when you tap your phone for $6.49, your brain barely registers it. These apps remove the friction so you wouldn't feel the pain. They want you asleep. At this point, Chris walked in and said, "Jamal, you got a phone. Those apps got your whole financial story. You just never looked." Jamal said, "I tried budgeting apps before. They confusing." Chris said, "You tried apps that made you do the work. You need something that tracks everything automatically."
Yeah. Gotta hit my vibes, yeah. We see how to hit my vibes, yeah. Living this slow life, but the money stay high. Pouring out the mud, watch the time fly by. I've been on the grind 24, no sleep. Keep 100 round drawn for the ops in the street. Yeah, we came from the trenches, now we strictly in the hills. Only time I'm feeling normal when I'm popping on these pills. Ain't no falling back, nah, I gotta get the bag. Put a 50 in the safe, put 100 in the stash. Straight out the mud, I had to go get it. I wanted a ticket, I stayed independent. Jumping the demon, I'm pushing the limit. Look at my neck, it took water to whip it. I'm with the slugs and we stand on the business. Too many rats, it's gonna take me a minute. Switch up the flow, had to give me some motion. Sipping on purr like I'm drinking a potion. Yeah, I cut off the face, they was doing the most. Now I'm in the phantom, I look like a ghost. Young, rich, nurture, I'm making a toast. Ain't doing no talking, doing it. Living this slow life, but the money stay high. Pouring up the mud, watch the time fly by. I've been on the grind 24, no sleep. Keep 100 round drawn for the ops in the street. Yeah, we came from the trenches, now we strictly in the hills. Only time I'm feeling normal when I'm popping on these pills. Ain't no falling back, nah, I gotta get the bag. Put a 50 in the safe, put 100 in the stash. Yeah. Sipping codeine, gotta hurry up. I don't trust a soul, keep the glizzy tucked. If it ain't about the paper, I don't give a fuck. Bought a brand new AP, it's flooded with ice. They didn't believe me, I had to pay the price. Rolling up excited, smoking about a pound. Every time I drop, yeah, I shut down the town. We're really outside, ain't no capping on the net. Put a bounty on his head, put a price on the neck. Living this slow life, but the money stay high. Pouring out the mud, watch the time fly by. I've been on the grind 24,
Son
no
of a
sleep.
God-forsaken. Chris, cue the music, kill it right now.
Bluetooth disconnected.
The hell is wrong with you, dog? You look cooked. 19 grand on one night? How? How much did you drop last night? I only dropped 7 grand, bro. Kept it right in the budget. 7? You spent 7? Bruh, you bought more drinks than me. You had more girls around you all night. You sat in that racing sim for 2 hours. You even covered Dre's table fee. How are you at 7 and I'm at 19? Because I knew exactly how much I was spending the whole time. What do you mean you knew? Expense. I set a budget before we even left the house. The app tracked every transaction as it happened. No manual login, no guessing at the end of the night. Every time I got close to my limit, it flagged me, so I adjusted. You just kept going. It even has a built-in AI coach called Mochi that studies your spending and tells you where your money is going and how to be smarter about it. Bruh, this is elite. Why am I just finding out about this now? You want to know the best part? It works without your bank. No account linking, no personal details, nothing. You stay in full control of your own data. And it's free. Say less, fam. Send me the link right now. Done. Pre-register on the Play Store right now. They're giving early users premium features and an exclusive Founders Badge that's not going to be up forever. Scan the code or hit the link in the description.
Within the first week, it showed them something crazy. Under food and dining, $847 in 1 month, and $340 of that was just delivery fees and service charges. Not food, fees. It also flagged subscriptions he forgot he had. It showed patterns in his spending. Jamal looked at me and said, "Frank, I think I might be the problem." I said, "You not the problem. You were just moving blind. See, the goal ain't to become a monk. The goal is to see the bleed so you can decide if it's worth it. I gave Jamal 3 rules. Rule 1, the 48-hour rule. If it ain't essentials, wait 48 hours before buying. Rule 2, the subscription check. Once a month, review every recurring charge. If you hesitate, cancel it. Rule 3, the convenience budget. Give yourself a limit for delivery, rides, and shortcuts. When it's gone, it's gone. Now watch this. Jamal's invisible bleed was about $300 a month. If he cuts just half, that's $150 a month. Invested over time, that turns into real money. I told him that's not theory, that's options, that's freedom. Look, you're not broke just because the system is against you. The system is tough, sure, but the invisible bleed, that's on you. And that's actually good news, because if you caused it, you can fix it. You don't need a raise to start. You need awareness. It's death by 1,000 cuts, but you are the one holding the knife. Put it down, patch the holes, stack what leaks out, and watch how fast things change.